afternoon, bookers and lookers. Beautiful beach day, I must say. It is gorgeous out here. The wind is blowing, the water is a little bit rough, but not too bad. And it's Sunday fun day, so being that it's my Sunday fun day, I figured why not come to the beach with some fun. Got my little sippy cup. Y'all know that this ain't no water or juice in here, so I figured might as well enjoy the so-called last beach day, or maybe next weekend will be. But I got my little twin in here with me, and I got to hurry up in a second. I got to and I got plenty of water too. Don't act like I ain't got no water. I got water too. But for now, I am about to be on chill. I got my yak. I got my my snacks, and I got my music. So I'm about to chill out for a couple of hours, enjoy this beautiful beach day, and who knows what's gonna happen after that, after I drink this bottle. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm so loving this sippy cup though. It closes. I ain't gotta worry about drinking no sand a day, none of that.